Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the portable Wi-Fi and confirming the SIM or data plan is active, because without service you can't proceed. Once powered, enable the hotspot mode and write down the SSID and password exactly as displayed. Case matters. Next, on your computer turn on Wi-Fi and open the network or wireless settings so you're ready to connect. Make sure the portable device is within 3 to 10 meters for a stable first connection. Then move to the next step. You now select the portable Wi-Fi SSID in your computer's network list and enter the password. Type slowly to avoid errors. Once connected, choose a network profile. Pick private if this is your trusted environment so file sharing behaves correctly. If advanced settings are needed, set a static IP only when required by the network. Otherwise, leave DHCP enabled to avoid routing problems. Adjust DNS to a public resolver for speed if needed, and confirm internet access by loading a simple web page before continuing. Finish by testing the connection. Run a quick download or speed check to confirm throughput and latency. If pages don't load, reboot the portable Wi-Fi in your computer, then toggle Wi-Fi. If that fails, forget the network and reconnect using the saved credentials. Make sure you haven't hit a data cap, that the SIM signal is strong, and that the device firmware is current. If problems persist, swap USB tethering or a different device to isolate whether the issue is the portable unit or the computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.